A root canal is a sophisticated dental procedure designed to save your natural tooth from severe infection. Today, we'll walk through every step of this tooth-saving journey in detail. The treatment begins with a standard drill to access the pulp chamber. Slower speed round drills then remove any decay and expose the entrance to the root canals with extreme care. Using a series of increasing file sizes, your dentist manually removes the diseased pulp. This careful shaping ensures every part of the canal system is cleaned and disinfected. Once the canals are clean and dry, they are filled with biocompatible rubber cones called gutta percha. These are coated in a liquid sealer to ensure a complete three-dimensional seal. Spreading instruments are then used to compact the cones further. This process ensures the entire canal space is occupied, preventing any future bacterial infiltration from the root tip. To provide structural support, one or more dental posts may be placed inside the canals. This helps strengthen the tooth and provides a secure foundation for the final restoration. A light-cured resin is then used to fill the remaining space. This material is soft for precise placement and is then instantly hardened using a specialized bright curing light. Finally, the tooth is shaped and prepared for its final restoration. A full crown or cap is essential to protect the now brittle tooth from future fractures during chewing. The custom-crafted crown is securely attached, restoring your tooth's natural appearance and function. This complete seal saves the natural root and maintains your healthy smile for years to come. Recovery is generally very swift, with most patients returning to their normal routines within 24 hours. Any mild soreness is easily managed with standard over-the-counter care. To protect your investment, stick to soft foods initially and avoid heavy chewing on the treated tooth until the final crown is placed. Maintain your usual gentle brushing and flossing routine. Saving your natural tooth is the gold standard for your oral health. Book your consultation today and keep your smile healthy, whole, and functional for a lifetime.